Farnham via Aldershot. Going at Wanborough, Ash, Aldershot and Farnham. Yeah, and don't worry about the money. I'm going to make sure we have a nice emergency top up on it. On the lawyers by next Friday, definitely. There you go. Yep, 1423 goes away. Well, it means the signals. Well, it means another signals means not cleared. So it means you can't go. Oscar needs a father. He needs to learn about signals, learn about trains correctly, and also learn people's rights. Doodoo. Oh, it's been cancelled. Yay, cancel homework. That's a boy, Mrs. Creature. Water, do you know what the bear said? He must. Oh. There you go, it's got the green. Yep, and I'll just wait for the 2 of the trains. 1, 2 from platform 8, and then we'll make our way to the club to get the train journey home. I hope we'll see 2 buses on school. Actually, yeah, I might do that. Oh yeah, it's the 23 minutes past, so 2 Farnhams and 2 Surbiton's, much better. Basically, Oscar needs a father. He needs to learn and understand about trains leave on the right time zone and they don't leave on the crazy time zone. He doesn't understand trains soon. He's going to have a big month detention about trains exactly right. That's why he needs a father.